I'm always late.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. It's my life.
Welcome back. In this vlog, I was both the hairstylist and the assistant of the celebrant for the day. So I got to the well scouting and we were here for a vendors meeting. No, it's fine. This is I think this is the reception where they have breakfast. So we're looking for where the vendors meeting was, and yeah, this is me with my touch of merch leather trying to market my business. Hello.
Hi. Yeah. 100,000.
Exactly. Today I came early. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself.
I don't even get it. I don't even understand. The background is so fine, but
Honestly, like views, baby.
what I want.
Views. Guys, I see the reflection in the background. It's very clear. Ah, I love it. I love it.
Mado, oh my god.
Hi guys,
Hey,
this is Berry. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh my god. I'm entering.
Are you seeing how clear it is? And the background is still showing.
At
God,
least it's showing.
I want to live here.
You want to live
I
here?
want.
Just have a boyfriend among the staff.
I swear, like
Living
God. So I see this other side is not making it dark. It's so
And
clear.
your camera is just deceiving me. See now,
Oh my God.
I'm glowing. I'm like, this is me? No, this is not me.
This is you. This is your natural color. Hi guys. So we're here for the vendors meeting for the event.
Just Messi and
Sorry, what's your name?
Messi. Just a spicy chow. Spicy chow is here. Spicy chow is here and Messi.
So we're here waiting for people to come. I'm always late. So that I came early, people refuse to come in. So yeah. I'm very stressed.
Yeah, it's showing in my eyes. What can we do?
I just coming for vendors meeting. I
No,
need
it's
to.
fine.
It is, but still, just sit down. As me, I'm not even talking much. It's for me.
You're not going to even
Exactly.
the event on that day.
Oh, thank God that last event it went well. Even with all the bride and her.
We get souvenir. Those girls. Those
You know what we're saying? Kenny needs to talk. I think madam, I don't know because if it's strict ushering units or ushering agency, they will sanction you. So once they do it once, twice, and they catch you.
Three days later.
Few days after the vendors meeting, I went to the client's house to style her hair for her photo shoot. And yeah, I came along with my students. And yeah, this is the hair after installing and styling. Guys, I did the installation after her makeup. I am good like that. I'm not on period.
Several days later.
So I'm back again at the client's place to style her hair for the party. Today's a party, and I am tagging the cars. You see it now. Yeah, a gala of milestones. I finished tagging the car. I finished installing her hair. I installed her daughter's hair as well. And we're on our way to church because I mean it's a Thanksgiving and celebration. So church it is. Oh my God. Guys, today has been so stressful. So I styled three people already, and I'm going to be starting the like again. I styled three clients, not people. People is just not professional. So I'm going to be doing the final start styling when we get to the venue of the reception. And I'm so stressed. I'm hungry. And I've not eaten. I just ordered for Chicken Republic to come so I can actually eat before I faint. Yeah. Ta-da. Thank you. As the saying goes, now where man walk, now there in go chop. So now so I did here they chop my food. Guy, I know pigeon is just not my thing. So yeah, I'm eating them before I come and faint in somebody's place. Yeah, so we're done with church and we're taking pictures with the priest and family members. Like this picture is very important because I mean, what is an event without pictures? Picture is for memory and that's on period. So yeah, after then I just saw the very cute statue of the Virgin Mary and I was like, nah, this has to go into my vlog. And yeah, and we are on our way to the reception venue. Still at well scouting, don't get it twisted because I mean where exactly are we going to do the vendors meeting if not at the venue? So yeah, I really like the decor. So the husband was celebrating 6 years of his birthday, the wife 50 years of her birthday, and they were both celebrating 25 years of marriage, which is a beautiful thing because I mean all these milestones just to mark it, like it had to be a very big celebration and a big celebration it was. Like you can see the table setting, the decor is looking really nice. They are trying to like set up some things. Yeah, this is KBJ, she's the event planner. I mean, she's doing a very good job, like, and she has really got me like two or three clients now, and I am so grateful to her. So yeah, this is the celebrant. Like, I really like their outfit, guys. Can you like check out their outfit? Like, Nigerian tailors are just like the best. Like, they are doing a very good job.
Meanwhile,
So we went to where they were lodging, still at Wells Carlton, and I started her hair. I just did a touch up for her frontal, then I started styling my signature style from 2023. Like guys, every bride, most bride, not every bride, like most brides wanted this style. I mean, the style is just very flattering, and yeah, I really enjoyed doing this style because I mean, it's just really pretty.
Yeah.
Now, so we turn.
It's like this my bag, I should drop it.
Yes, I think you should. It will distract you. We can turn. Beautiful.
Let's come here. Cause it's tight here for your food. For this problem is now that our face is still let us not stand like line. She's running
So she came out for her first outfit. Like, no, the dresses were giving, and she has a very nice like physique. No, the dress were so nice and complements her hair so well. So this color was a 10 out of 10 for me. As you can see, people are dancing. Like, I mean, you only live once, so you have to celebrate your milestones when you can and however you can afford it. And yeah, guys, it's only just me that have never been or have never done this 360. I don't know if it's just me, probably me. I don't know. This week has seen better days. They came out for their third, oh no, yeah, this is the third outfit for the day, and she was giving. It was giving Gen Z mommy body. Like, I really like her because she was so nice. I've met so many clients. So when you meet a client that is very nice and welcoming, that doesn't stress you, that doesn't even like scold you. So anytime I meet such a client, I always try to appreciate them in every any way as I can. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I hope to see you guys in another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.